Hi guys, John here from Martin Mechanical Machines. Hope you're well. Yeah, here we are with the quad bike. I said in the last video that we would do a sort of repair and look at this carburettor. So here we are. Anyway, I'll get straight into it. I'm going to try and keep you that I'm not standing in front of the camera, but apologies if that is the case. This is really quite fiddly. I'll do my best to this is proving more difficult than I thought actually. Oh, there we go. That's the first screw coming undone. So I could do with is there, so could do with just grab this little beaker, and I may have to decant some of this fuel. Probably it will probably go everywhere. Yeah, that's it. There we go. We've lost a little bit of fuel, but that's no great issue. That's draining off now. That's just draining the tank out because I mean, it's had two-stroke fuel sitting there for quite some time from what it appears, I'm just thinking whether I've got something else I can put into it, or whether that. I think actually we may actually be empty. No, there is still fuel in there. There is still fuel in there. But anyway, let's try and get this carburettor off. So it's on the fiddly side of things. Unfortunately, I've got rather fat fingers, so it's proving a little more difficult than I originally thought. We'll get there though. Yeah, it's. I'd say these things are so small; they are just going to be generally quite fiddly. Yes, that one is definitely loosening off now. It's don't know whether we are fully. I don't know if we're fully emptied on this yet, I don't want to spill any of that two-stroke petrol because quite useful. I'll cut you off for a minute, guys, and I'll come back to you. Thank you.